narrow angle. Identification of the different parts of the angle, one has to observe the following. First, one has to notice the iris contour. The periphery of the iris can be slightly or very convex, can be flat, and can be concave. This is the normal, a slightly convex iris, convex fold. Flat iris, we can see it in cases of aphakia, where the lens has been removed, or myopic eye, axial myopia, where everything is shifted back because of a big size eye. Rarely, we can see flat iris contour in cases of plateau iris. This condition, we have the ciliary processes thickened, pushing everything forward, pushing the iris forward, and the angle is narrow. The difference is the plane of the iris in cases of aphakia or myopia is posterior. It is posterior to the level of the scleral sphere, while in cases of plateau iris, the plane of the iris is anterior. It is at the level of the trabecular meshwork or the Schwalb's line. The last contour is the concave contour. As you can see here, the iris is concave. In this example, slit lamp, notice that the periphery of the iris is concave. This is met with in cases of pigmentary glaucoma and pigment dispersion syndrome. And see here, notice that the periphery is concave. The central part is more anterior. Again, the central pupillary side is more anterior, while the periphery is concave. The second point is to notice the angle width. It is the distance, the angle between the Schwalb's line and the nearest part of the iris. The last thing is to notice the structures visible in the angle. As you can see here, this is the Schwalb's line, this is the trabecular area, scleral sphere, ciliary recess, and iris. Here we can see everything, but we don't see the ciliary recess. Here we can see Schwalb's line, trabecular meshwork only. Here we can see only the Schwalb's line. We don't see anything. Iris is covering everything. And here even the Schwalb's line, we don't see it. So if we can see everything down to the ciliary recess, so this angle is widely open. If you don't see anything, this is the closed angle, and this is the stages in between. In this example, you can see here this slightly pigmented area is the trabecular meshwork, and this dark area is the ciliary recess, and this is the iris. So here, this is the scleral sphere, and here the Schwalb's line. As long as we can see everything, this is a wide open angle. While here we don't see anything, just the iris and back of the cornea, so this is the closed angle.